Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you our playroom slash homeschool room, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. It is a little cluttered, a little chaos, but it's definitely functional. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys do, don't forget to give it a like. If you've not yet subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave, and enjoy today's video. So here's a quick overview of our playroom. It's nothing too crazy. We have my daughter's quad. This couch was given to us. It was our Grandma Lois's, and she passed away, so they gave this to us. And that I thrifted, but I'm pretty sure it's from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna be changing it out once I start fall decorating. I wanna get some more posters for this wall to kind of make it not so blah, but for now, that's what we've got going on. Got a couple stuffed animals in here. And then over here is like our little cubby shelf. All of these used to have tags. My son and daughter have ripped them off. I need to reattach them. But up here, I have this light that I thrifted and painted. We have a little Bible for Brindley, and I just keep some of her supplies up here. So she's got Play-Doh, some crayons. These we usually do like melting them to like make multiple colors. We've got some stamps that her aunt got her, and some more Play-Doh. Then we've got some books, some learning puzzles, more books. These are some cars and trucks. I think this is farm animals, blocks, some trains, and then these are just random things, baby clothes, like little video games, lamp. This is also like a random one. Just some random toys. She's got her shopping cart. Her brother loves to play with that as well. These are her dress-up clothes. So usually the way I have it set up is they are all hung up, but it was becoming too much of a chore, and I could tell that she was not enjoying it as much. So I threw them all in here. It's a lot easier cleanup process for her. Then we've got some wood blocks. And then she's got her little Minnie Mouse chair. Oh, brother was here. So she's got her little Minnie Mouse chair. And then this is just a bin of baby dolls. Brother's little zebra walker. She's got her little vanity. Brother likes to play over here. He likes to pull the drawer out and push it in and stuff. These are fake, by the way. These are fake scissors. It did have a chair. But Brindley stood on it in her closet and fell and broke a leg off. So the chair is gone, but we still use it. So this is actually our front door, and clearly it's blocked. We don't use it. I used to not like close this off because I was like, oh, you know, it's the front door. It's not very aesthetically pleasing, but it was that's a lot of space wasted. So I just decided to block it off. We don't use it. Nobody, like the delivery guys even know, like bring it to the back. So this is actually our front door. I know it's like kind of, I don't know, an eyesore, but this is how we have our house laid out, and this is just how it functions for us. So over here we have her little kitchen. I made this with the Cricut. And then this is Remington's like diapers. If I don't change him in his room, this is usually where he gets changed. He's got his diapers and wipes. This is an IKEA kitchen. My mom got it off Facebook Marketplace and had it at her house for a while, and then she got a new one. But it's just, you know, honestly, if you're like a new mom and you're like, oh, I don't know what to get a kitchen. Get a kitchen, girl. Because boys and girls love to cook in the kitchen. And look how cute those are. So majority of like this and this, I've thrifted. This little mixer, that did come from Dollar General and it was $5. I just got that not too long ago. It's not pretty colors, but you know, it'll do. And then my grandma made these for me. So I just have them hanging on a little clear Dollar Tree hook. But all of this stuff is thrifted. Well, this is Dollar Tree. These two little spoons are thrifted. I found these at a thrift store. I just accumulate them over time. This little wire rack came from like one of those Walmart gift set things. And I just put it there. It used to hang on the outside, but I changed the layout. Like these little pans are from the Goodwill. It's just when I'm out looking, I usually go and look for like little utensils and stuff just so that they can have, I don't know, I hate the noises and stuff. I feel like these are like Melissa and Doug or something, but I thrifted them, thrifted the basket. And then, yeah, she needs a good wipe down, but over here, I added like the Velcro to this. Great, let's put this up again. Hang on. There. I just have it Velcroed on there, and then she's got a little bag for when we play grocery store. This used to be mine. Oh, I knew that wasn't gonna last. This used to be mine. I just have it hung here for when we do art projects. So this closet, you're gonna freak when you see it, but this is my donations closet. There's a lot of junk in here that needs to go. I just slowly keep piling it in, clearly. And then this is like my gift bags. And then like I have like extra stuff up here for like extra gifts and stuff. But yeah. It's a hot mess express, but we're being real with you guys. So this is Brindley's side, or Brindley's shelf. Down here she has Barbies, and like I said, they used to all have tags, but kids. She's got a lot of Barbies, so she usually has 3 bins, but right now she has 2. This is like dress up accessories, so crowns, hair bows, capes, purses, jewelry, things like that. That's all in here. This is a firefighter's helmet, and that goes with that, but it doesn't fit. She's got shoes, and we usually have stuff up here, but she has taken a liking to like bringing all of her Barbies, and like this being their little like house, penthouse, whatever. So I just left this blank. I also want to sand these and like paint them because these are perfectly good shelves. Like I don't want to go out and buy them just because they're brown and ugly. So I want to sand them, kind of give them a little bit of like texture and then paint them. Or I might use like the 1, 2, 3 paint just so I don't have to sand. But I do want to paint these so they're not so ugh. Anyway, we've got some red construction paper, and then in here we just have her Play-Doh supplies and what's it called? Not moon sand. It might be moon sand. That's what's in these clear containers. It's just some sand. The rest is just Play-Doh stuff. And usually if she wants to play with Play-Doh, she gets 1 or 2 colors on it at a time. Depends on how she's been with like the previous time she's played. But like the toys are in there, and then the Play-Doh's over there. So she'll pick a color, and then we'll get her the toys down. Up here, I've got this thrifted caddy. It just has some art supplies. As you can see, some paintbrushes. I think there's some random junk. Nope, absolutely nothing else in here. Just the paint supplies. This spot usually collects junk. It's not usually this clean. Down here, I have her coloring books. We did just color, so that's why it's a mess. She just kind of pulled whatever she wanted, but we just store, oh my goodness, we just store her coloring books over here. And, oh. There we go. Then this side is Remington's play toys. So he's got a couple little baby toys that he can pull out. His little Noah's Ark, his little stuffed animal thing. Then these are just bins of toys. These are more learning toys, you know, balls, building blocks, it's little animals. He likes to pull these out, mostly to just dump them and chew on them. And then this I thrifted, but it is by Melissa and Doug. And he mostly just pushes it because it can spin. I tried to work with Brinley, but she didn't seem too interested in this, so which is fine. We've been doing a little bit of homeschooling, and I'm watching a lot of people, and I'm realizing like you kind of have to just base it off of what they enjoy, and she did not enjoy that. I think it's just too babyish for her, so that's mostly for brother. Now he has his blocks. Don't ask me where the orange is. I know where the red is. Like, we played shopping and Brinley had it, but I don't know where the orange one is. But this is by Melissa and Doug. It was a Brinley toy, and now it's Remy's. We just have a couple books in here. Ones that he can't rip the pages on. That's his little side. And then this is like our homeschool corner. We have our map. That's from Dollar Tree. It's a very large, as you can tell. It takes up a big chunk of the wall. But, so that's from Dollar Tree. These were a gift for Remy. There's a couple missing. He has a tendency to chew them. So, we have those. This is like a chore chart, but we have a different one. You'll see that in a minute. But it also has a whiteboard, so we use that every once in a while. We've got a little speaker. I've started playing classical music during school time, kind of softly in the background, just so, I don't know, just so she can have it. I remember having it when I went to school in a class, and it kind of stuck with me, so kind of hoping that I can instill that in her. This is just some of her curriculum up here that we use. And that's just the bin for it. Then we have another caddy over here. These are from IKEA, and I just got these a little while ago. I was gonna mark them, but honestly, she knows where they go. Like, I don't need to mark everything. But we just have our colored pencils, crayons, and then markers, like I said, we were coloring earlier. And then this one's got our sharpener, some random crayons that I found, her pencil, her scissors, just some random stuff in here. And I have it on this little Lazy Susan that I thrifted. It's not level, as you can see. She's like warped, but she gets the job done. So yeah, that's this little section over here. And then over here, we have her chore chart. She's been doing really well with this. By the way, my daughter is 4. We just started doing this, like, I want to say 2 weeks ago. Wow. I love this thing. Highly recommend. I will try and link the girl's channel. She's a homeschool mom. Seriously love her channel. I think her name's Addie. But I'll link her channel down below. She had this as a free printable. I printed it off at the library and then laminated it, hung it up, and she's been obsessed with it. And then this is the master bedroom door. And then we have our American flag. That's from Dollar Tree as well. And then this is her homeschool corner. So she does her ABCs. This poster is from Dollar Tree. And yeah. And then this is Brinley. And then I found this. It is a like song book. It comes with a CD. I need to get a CD player. But it's just songs for different things. It's for the months and seasons, things like that. Oh, that would be a good one to do. Oh, we're gonna switch that around, but right now it's August, so that's what we got going on, but we're definitely switching that. But yeah, that is our little homeschool / playroom area. But this is just her little table. She doesn't usually do her homework here. We do it at the kitchen table because brother usually comes up and pulls stuff off. But yeah. But that's going to be it for today, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a like. And if you guys would like to see a homeschool routine, please let me know down in the comments. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!